Good morning, everybody. It's February 4th, 2026. We are, said, no calculator, no paper. We're doing 32 cubed in our heads. I got some people going, oh, wow, what, just calculator. No. We're trying to exercise the mind and the brain so that you could do complex operations on an exam quick, just like that. And the more complex on the calculator, instead of depending all even on the simple on the calculator, you're going to mess up. We don't want to mess up. We want to do the best we can on our exam. Therefore, the more complex operations, let me just shut up. Bear with me. Hope you enjoy. We're going to do music and math. We got Brooklyn Collegiate, Fort Hamilton High School, PS10, PS9 rather. All these are Brooklyn schools. Andrews High School in High Point, North Carolina, and so many more. Wiley Middle School. What we're going to do is music and math. 32 cubed is the same as 10 times 32 times 3 plus 64. Why? Because 32 times 32, you're going to do 32 square times 32. 32 square is the same as 32 times 32. 32 times 32 and we're going to drop D tuning. 32 times 32 is 10 times 32 times 3 plus 2 times 32, which is 64. 10 times 32 is 320. Times 3 is 960. Plus 64 is 1024. 1024. Now, here's the next equation. And there's two more equations. You know, I don't do it by the equation. I just do it. But the next step in the same process is 1024 times 32. 1024 is the same times 32 is the same as 10 times 1024 times 3 plus 2 times 1024. 10 times 1024 is 10,240. Times 3 is 30,000 plus 240 times 3, which is 600 plus 120, which is 720. So you have 3720. Let's just double check that. So you have 30,000 plus 720 is 30,720. Aha, I messed up. I left out a zero. 30,720 plus 2 times 1,024. 2 times 1,024 is 2,048. 2,048 plus 30,700 and I lost it. But you see what we're doing? We're exercising. I don't care about getting the right answer. We're going to get the right answer. But the main thing is work towards it. Let's start from scratch again in the next video. We already passed 3 minutes. Let's just try it again. So we're gonna cut this up into shorts. So we have 1,024 times 10, which is 10,240, times 3, which is 30,000, plus 600 plus 40 times 3, which is 720. So 30,000 plus 720 is 30,720. 30,720 plus 1,024 times 2. 1,024 times 2 is 2,048. 2,048 plus 30,720 is 30,720 plus 2,048 is 32,000, and then you add 48 to 20, so it should be 32,000. 24 plus what? 48. 48 plus 24 is 68 plus 72. So 32,772 should be the answer. 32,772. Check me on your calculators, like and subscribe, and don't give me the right answer. Because how do I know you didn't use your calculator? No calculators. Everybody say it one more time, loud and proud. No calculators. No paper. everything in your head. If you're in pre-calculus, you have to be able to do these steps, all of them in your head. You can't it's better. It's always better. Don't ask me why. I'm not a mathematician, not even a math teacher. I'm licensed to teach math only first through sixth grade, but I love it, admire it, and I love thinking logically. And I do know that I've spoken to some professors and math teachers or people that have graduated in computer science from China who tell me that kids are doing differential calculus because their rule of thumb is no calculators. You got to use them eventually at some point, of course. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about no calculators as much as you can, just as much as possible. Don't use your calculator. Don't use paper even. Use your head. Use your ability. Flex that math muscle on February 4th, 2026. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.